When disasters such as Hurricane Katrina strike, ensuring adequate response time and resources can be the greatest obstacles facing emergency responders on the scene to provide aid to victims. At Oak Ridge National Laboratory, Rochester Institute of Technology student Chelsea DeCapua spent the summer of 2007 researching ways to mitigate such obstacles through an internship provided by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security's Scholarship and Fellowship Program. The program, which is managed for DHS by the Oak Ridge Institute for Science and Education, is designed to encourage the next generation of scientists to pursue research related to the agency's mission of improving Homeland Security. DeCapua, who is majoring in information technology and pursuing a certificate in emergency and disaster management, is using advances in geospatial technology to help develop a resource that will define best practices for disaster preparation and emergency response based on post-Katrina relief efforts.
Right now, we're working on a larger project with Mississippi State University, and it looks into Hurricane Katrina and what lessons we're trying to learn from that, and to develop a national resource that will, administer improvements for communication and things along those lines related to geospatial technology.
Beyond simply mapping routes, landforms, and waterways, geospatial technology is a prevalent tool used in emergency response and preparedness. It can help reduce disaster response time by building an infrastructure of power and water utilities, schools, hospitals, residential areas, and other locations. The end result allows emergency planners to make informed decisions about the resources available to response crews. As a volunteer with an organization that traveled to Beaumont, Texas to provide disaster relief to victims of Hurricane Rita, DeCapua witnessed how important creating an infrastructure can be to disaster and relief efforts. The experience showed her how information technology and disaster management go hand in hand.
With the information technology background, that's studying how information flows efficiently from point A to point B. So in emergency and disaster response, information is needed, but there's so much miscommunication that goes on that no one knows how to get it properly from one place to another.
After DeCapua completed her research at ORNL, the Vermont native returned to RIT for her final year. However, her experience with the DHS program has been one she will never forget.
The facilities are amazing. Like the computing facility that I'm in is great, and my mentor has been awesome. I actually have a couple of people who are helping me through the project, and they've pointed to resources and shown me where to look, but also given me enough flexibility to kind of go off on my own and develop my own research.
Since 2003, the DHS Scholarship and Fellowship Program has sponsored more than 450 undergraduate and graduate students pursuing degrees in the areas of science and engineering. DHS provides tuition and fees to scholars and fellows, in addition to access to career-enhancing research opportunities with highly qualified scientific personnel within the Homeland Security research enterprise.